everyone, I'm Alvion, and you are tuned into Alvion's Creations TV, where I help women create the perfect gift by providing them with handcrafted gift ideas. Today, we will be making a foamy body sugar scrub from our Seashell Shore collection. So we're going to start out with measuring our base. It is already pre-made so that you don't have to figure out the chemistry of doing that. And if you would like to know where I ordered this from, just click the link down below. Okay, so here I have my oils and also my fragrance oil that I'm going to be using in my product. If you would like to know this recipe, just download the free PDF file at the bottom in the description below. And then also I am going to add the natural preservative, which I measure separately just so I can get the exact number. And this one here is so that if water gets into your product, because it is a bath product, that it does not become moldy later on. Okay, so now you want to blend with a hand mixer if you have one. Some of you can use a stand mixer, but I use my stand mixer for baking, so I don't use it for my products. So I specifically use my hand mixer until I get to this consistency, which is like that creamy consistency there. It is so beautiful. Okay, just an important tip right here, always make sure you scrape the sides down and also scoop to the bottom to make sure that you have blended the products well. Now it is time for the best part, and that is adding the sugar. Important tip, always add it in parts instead of all at once, so that one, it doesn't blow in your face when you mix it, and two, you make sure that it's well incorporated. Once you have mixed it really well, I'm going to separate it into another bowl because I am going to be doing two separate colors. Alright, so today's color is going to be Blue Tide by Mad Micas, and I will put the link down in the description so that you can order this beautiful blue color. Isn't that like a great blue for a sea color? The second color that I will be using is a beautiful pink magenta color called Flirt from Matte Michaels. I would also link that down in the description bar. And also shoot me a comment and let me know if you like these two colors here. Aren't they like very vibrant and beautiful? Now it is time to mix these colors together. And because you're mixing these vibrant colors with an opaque white type of color, it's not going to be as strong as you would like it to be. So if you want it to be more dark, then you should add more mica to it. Now it is time to mix the pink color. Important tip: scrape off as much of the original color off of the mixer before blending the next color so that it does not mix with your original color and make a new color. Now it is time to package the product. You want to always make sure that each product weighs the same weight, that every customer is getting the same consistency of weight. And if you are making this for yourself at home, then girl, do what you want to do. No one can tell you different or anything about your stuff, okay? Now I'm just gonna speed the video up because all I am doing is filling up my containers because this order was a really big order for me. Here is a close-up of what I am doing if you want to see behind the scenes. Okay, so if this is for business purposes, you want to make sure that you put your labels on your products. And here I have created my labels in Canva, and I printed them out on label paper, and I am going to cut them out myself because, girl, everyone don't have a lot of money, okay? So I had to make these myself. So I will speed this part up. Okay, here I'm just going to wipe down each container because they were a little slippery from the product before I add the label on, because I want it to look very uniform and nice. So I want to tighten it up the containers and wipe them down. So here I had ran out of the original labels that I made for my product. Again, you want them to look uniform, but I was like, okay, all I have left is clear labels, and I need to get this out today. And look how much better it looked with clear labels. So I will not be using paper labels ever again, okay? I love these clear labels, and look how beautiful those are. Oh my goodness, compared to the paper label. Like, let me know down in the comments, which label do you like, the clear or the paper label? Okay, so here I am adding like I forgot what they're called. Well, I forgot the name, but they're from Uline, and I'll put the link down in the description. But it's like, you want your products to look like something out of the store, right? So I'm gonna seal all the products because when you're shipping these, you want to make sure that nobody opens these products and they're not touched or anything. So if the seal is broken when my customer receives these products, then they will let me know. All right, so once you put those things on, I forgot the name of them, then you take your heat gun and you just run it around and it'll seal on its own. Now, if an important tip, if you cannot afford to get a heat gun, then girl, just go and get your blow dryer and do it. It works the same way, okay?